What's the meaning of bulk? Bulk. Bulk.
Bulk. Bulk. Bulk can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to the mass or volume of something, or it can describe an action of purchasing in large quantities. For example, a store may offer discounts for buying items in bulk. In weightlifting, bulk refers to the process of gaining muscle mass and size through consistent weight training and a high-calorie diet. Bulk can also be used as an adjective to describe something that is large and substantial, such as a bulk order or a bulk shipment. Overall, the term bulk generally implies a significant amount or size.